Hello, sir.
Hello ma'am, hello Bengaluru. Yeah, please welcome to the PM Milan Artist Street Lingapina Chickpet. Okay, my name is Pawan. Okay, I'm just introduced for the Lenga concept we have at our stores. Okay, we have like semi-staged and staged concept both, and we are price segment starts from the same 3,000 up to 40-50,000 we have. And as this is the like Lenga, stitched Lenga. This is the
Okay.
lehenga that's simple. We have heavy latkan, so this and all. This is the blouse with extra margins and everything.
Okay.
And over and above the big sizes, we take order basis. At least
Okay.
we need at least 50 to 20 days time.
Okay.
Okay. And this
Okay.
is the belt and this heavy dupatta with latkans.
With latkans.
Yeah.
Beautiful color
These
and
all
very
handmade
rich
designs.
piece.
These are
Handmade
handmade
designs.
designs. Okay.
Okay. So beautiful. The color is so nice. Really love this piece.
This is one more designer piece with
Okay.
different two color combinations.
So everything has got can, right?
Yeah, everything has can ma'am. If you want
Okay.
to detach the can, we help out for the detaching everything.
Everything.
This comes
Okay.
with semi-stitched lehenga, which
Uh-huh.
gets open here. As
Okay.
per the size and requirement of the customers,
Correct.
we clear the stitch and give it back.
Okay.
And
So
the-
you provide that facility
Yeah,
of stitching and giving?
facilities are from our side, ma'am.
Okay,
And
okay.
This is in semi-stitched concept and all,
Uh-huh.
the lehenga gets open,
Uh-huh.
gets stitched, and this
Okay.
is the fabric of the blouse.
Fabric of the blouse.
Fabric of the blouse.
Okay.
We have at least more than a meter
Okay.
for the blouses and everything. And this dupatta.
Dupatta. Oh, rich piece, my God. Again, a beautiful piece.
This
Look
comes
at the
with
work.
Every dupatta has a latkans and over and above this.
Latkans, right?
Yeah.
And very, very rich dupatta. The piece, once you stitch wear, you're going to really look beautiful.
We have all like traditional concept and even
Huh.
the western concept.
Okay, okay.
This is all traditional concept. It comes with the pure fabric with real gota, jardosi and those mirror works and everything.
Okay.
Every lehenga gets finishing with the polishing and everything and all. This comes with the latkan, heavy latkan.
Heavy latkan. Okay.
And, this comes with the traditional dupattas.
Ah, okay.
We call it a gadchola
Okay.
with real moti works with latkans and this thing pure dola fabric.
Dola fabric, is it?
Yeah, pure
Okay.
Dola fabric.
Wow.
This also
Super
gets polished and everything.
polished, is it?
finished and everything. Yeah.
Okay. The blouse is it? It's the same material, is it?
Blouses we have fabric, ma'am.
Fabric is there. Same like you
Fabric is
showed the
same.
previous
It has
one,
the
you
bit
have
of works
fabric.
on sleeves and everything.
Okay,
So
okay.
you should get stitched. Then
Okay.
blouses is not from our side, ma'am.
Okay.
Stitching and all.
Okay.
Only the lehenga facility. would
Lehenga
be from
facility you will provide.
Yeah.
Blouse and all the customer
us. The
only
customer
needs
has
to.
We can like suggest for the good tailors over
Okay,
here.
okay.
Charges to be borne by the customer.
Yes, yes.
This is one of the designer concept.
My
This comes with very
God.
concept.
Oh, so beautiful, sir.
It
Such
comes
a
with
rich
the real
piece.
Kardana gold work and everything.
Okay.
Heavy latkans.
Heavy latkan.
Yeah. This comes with the latkans.
Okay. Beautiful, beautiful. What can I
This is a
say? My God, statement piece. Once you wear, no, everybody is going to look at you.
This is all celebrity good design.
Celebrating.
concept, ma'am,
Yes, yes, yes. He has got
the
such
blouse.
designer pieces in his shop. I've fallen in love with every piece what he is showing now, and the color also is very, very elegant and so rich. Okay.
Colors options are there, ma'am. to
Color
WhatsApp
options are
and
there, right?
all. Oh, yeah.
Okay. So he has mentioned the price range in the beginning of the video. Once you come to the shop, he will mention the individual piece price. So he sells it only for retail.
We
There is
don't
no,
deal with the
he's not a wholesaler. And the video call facility is there. Even Pan India courier facility is there. Wow, something
We
different.
have WhatsApp broadcast and everything, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
We add customers to that. We have every 15 days we have different concepts and everything.
Is it? Okay. So you keep posting, is it, in
keep
that group?
posting on
Okay.
WhatsApp and
Okay.
everything. This
So I'll be
is-
sharing the number on the screen. You
Sure.
can WhatsApp in case you're interested to
Yeah,
check for
please,
any piece or any price, whatever it is.
Yeah. yeah.
So he will give you the complete information. Wow.
This is taste.
Okay.
This comes with the multicolor range.
Oh
This
my
comes with the bottom
God.
good work, elegant work.
Superb, superb. All these, once you wear, only you will get to know how beautiful these
These
pieces
heavy
are.
Blouses.
Heavy blouse, is it?
Yeah, heavy blouse.
Okay, wow.
Same
Very-
concept. It has
very
2 inch
nice.
margins inside it.
Okay.
You can detach.
So this
and put it
fits up to
up to 44, ma'am.
44, is
Over and
it?
above the big size.
So in case any bigger size people approach
We
you,
take
can
order,
you
ma'am.
you take order, right? Okay.
Take order.
Okay.
But that thing will we need a sufficient time.
Time. Okay. Okay.
Because we get all fresh products.
I know. I know. My God, the color, the elegance of the piece. the designer lehengas in his shop. Look at this
This
piece.
comes with a printed,
Okay.
elegant piece, imported chinon fabric.
Chinon fabric.
Yeah.
Okay.
With printed and everything.
Okay. Blouse is again in the
Blouse is
same material, sir.
fabric thing.
Same fabric.
Same
Okay.
fabric.
And this is the dupatta. Okay. Beautiful, beautiful.
This comes with the silk fabric.
Silk fabric.
Yeah, silk
Okay. Mm-hmm.
This is a mixture of this is the silk fabric. The
Okay.
blouses comes with the Lucknowi concept.
Okay. This is the blouse, is it?
Yeah.
Okay.
This is the blouse,
Mm-hmm.
which comes with the backside latkans.
Okay.
And we have sleeves also.
Sleeves also is
Yeah.
there, right?
Like
Okay.
customers
Who is not
prefer with
comfortable with sleeveless, they can get the sleeves done, right?
It has
Okay.
like, this is the sleeveless one. If the customers are not comfortable with it, they can
Correct. Correct.
attach the
Attach the sleeves.
Yeah.
Yes.
And this comes with a Georgette dupatta.
Georgette
so there's three
dupatta.
combination fabric.
Uh-huh.
One is silk, one is Georgette, and one is Lucknowi concept.
Lucknowi concept. Beautiful, sir.
We have real Kardana work.
Mm-hmm.
It comes with the pure.
What is Kardana work, sir?
So, ma'am, this what are the works is there, no? This
Uh-huh.
piping and those things, you know, that's called as Kardana works.
Okay. Wow. Mm-hmm.
This is ready to wear the lehenga.
Ready to wear, is it?
Ready to wear
Okay. Beautiful, sir. Mm-hmm.
And these are different blouse, fancy cuts.
Blouse, some fancy blouse. Something different. Look at the pattern. My God, look at the work. Can you turn, sir?
backside work,
Yes. Wow. There's work at the back as well. Beautiful. The color is very nice, and the work is really very elegant. I can say the richness of this lehenga can be
The
seen.
finishing of the product.
Yes.
This dupatta.
Dupatta.
Dupatta is almost, we have around 2 meters, ma'am.
2 meter, is
2
it?
meters dupatta is there.
Okay,
If the customer wants to customize the dupatta also, we do service for that
You
also.
can customize as well.
If they
Okay.
don't want in this fabric, we can give them the
Okay.
fabric.
Mm-hmm.
We can do it. This is crushed fabric, ma'am.
Crush fabric.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Oh my God, work is really nice. Same, right? The Kardana work, what you
Same
mentioned?
Kardana, ma'am.
Okay. Oh my God. Superb, sir. Superb.
It all comes with a can, ma'am.
Can, right?
Yeah. If the
Okay.
customers
Uh-huh.
doesn't want the can,
Uh-huh.
you remove it out.
Remove it out.
Yeah.
Okay.
And in case again in future if you want to put it also, you can attach the can.
Okay.
This is the blouse.
Blouse, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Full sleeves.
Full sleeves.
Sleeves also comes with the work and everything.
Work, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Superb. And the dupatta?
This dupatta with
Uh-huh. With work, right?
Yeah.
Okay. You mentioned 2 meter dupatta, right?
2 meter dupatta.
In case the customer wants, they can customize it according to their wish. Yeah.
Go for the shorter one
Okay.
also.
Yes.
This is Jimichu fabric lehenga.
Jimichu.
Semi stitch.
Okay. Semi stitch, is it? Oh my God. He has got all
This is
type of
Zardosi
lehengas.
and beads work and everything.
Zardosi and beads work.
Zardosi and beads
Okay.
works.
Beautiful.
And we call as kali. So this
Kali.
is 12 kali lehenga.
Acha, 12 kali
12
lehenga.
kali lehenga. And the customer wants for the bigger size, we add a kali to it.
Kali. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So that's nice. Kali gets added.
We have like given for the customer size up to 52, 54.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, nice. So in case you're not able to find lehengas for your size, you can visit Pia Milan. You will definitely find a lehenga. They can even customize and give it according to your color and anything as per your wish. They will, even the dupatta can be altered. It can be a smaller size or longer size as per your wish. This is the blouse, right? Okay.
Blouse have heavy works on the back, front and sleeves also.
Okay. Beautiful, sir. Beautiful. Very nice. So he has mentioned the price range, individual piece price he has not mentioned. He is a retailer, he is not a wholesaler. He is open to video call. So you can visit his shop or you can video call him, and Pan India courier service is there. We have covered 2 different vlogs to show the ready to wear sari in his shop as well as the lehenga bridal collection in his shop. He has got beautiful designer pieces. Look at the colors, look at the elegance of
shade.
each piece, double shade. Yes. Beautiful, beautiful, sir. My God, so rich piece.
And contrast blouse.
Contrast blouse, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, colours
The
of
blouse is 1 meter. You mentioned.
Yeah, 1 meter. Ma'am.
Okay.
If they need more than
Okay.
1 meter also, we provide.
You
that
will
also.
provide. Okay.
This colours
Oh
is
my God. What you want? You have everything. Look at the colors, and it looks like designer pieces. Superb, superb. Okay. Wow.
This comes with 8-meter jet hanger.
8 meter is it?
Yeah.
Okay. What is the material, sir?
This is on, ma'am, viscose fabric.
My God, so rich piece. Really love this piece, sir. Very nice.
It
What
has
what about the blouse, sir?
blouse? We have fabric, ma'am.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Find the blouse.
Okay.
With some mess up.
Yeah, no problem.
This is something.
Yeah, dupatta.
Yeah.
Viscose fabric you mentioned,
Yeah,
right? Okay. This also in the same price range as you mentioned at the beginning?
Whatever the prices are
Okay,
start.
okay.
It starts from 3,000 in our shop.
Okay.
We have on net and say fabric and
Huh.
fabric.
Uh-huh. Oh
On
my
our designer pieces and
God.
all, the
Uh-huh.
prices starts from all from 5,000
5,000.
and ends up 40-50,000 also.
Okay, wow.
This is dupatta.
Dupatta, right?
Yeah.
Beautiful, beautiful,
This
beautiful.
comes with the silk weaving fabric
Mm-hmm.
with gota patti. work.
Gota patti, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Superb.
We have an organza also.
Organza
It is
also.
for girlish and rosy,
Okay.
for the girlish taste and all. This
Ah,
organza. With this
okay.
comes with the paint work.
Paint work, is it? Okay, all these are paint work. Okay. Nice.
Quality is all good, fine. ma'am. We
Quality
don't
is really good, right?
compromise- We don't
Okay.
compromise with the quality.
Quality, yes, definitely, sir.
This comes with the feather thing
Mm-hmm.
with organza fabric.
Okay. Oh my God, something different. Each and every piece is unique and it's looking
Unique
different and
concept we have, those
yeah.
we don't have a similar this thing.
Ah,
And every
yeah.
15-20 days we have the fresh
you
up
keep
stock.
updating the patterns and the styles keeps changing, right, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and in your WhatsApp group you post the patterns,
Yeah,
is it?
every 15 days
Okay.
we come with the fresh
Okay.
stock with the new concept.
Okay.
Just briefly to be call us and
Mm-hmm. Yes,
give us the
definitely.
opportunity to serve you.
Yes, yes, definitely. Really love the collection. Yes, sir. What do you want to convey to the viewers? You can just convey.
Just like I want the people to come to the my shop and just have a visit and have an opinion over here. I don't suggest you to take at the one shop or one store only. Have a look, compare my product and quality and my prices at the market.
Yes.
I give you the confidence 100% guarantee
Correct.
that my prices won't be beat to any other stores.
Any other store? Yes, definitely,
Please,
sir.
serve us.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.